Hello everybody. I wanted to do an EDC video, Everyday Carry. This is what I carry every day. Right now I'm at work. I basically carry the same thing when I'm off. First thing I have is an HTC Droid Incredible. I carry this in my right front pocket. I have a Winger Evo Grip 11. I carry this in my left pocket. I have a Evo flashlight. I carry it in my left front pocket. Takes one AA battery. What I like about it is this clip. I clip this to my hat and use it as a headlamp. I have a set of keys for my carabiner. I clip it to my belt loop. I have a Timex Expedition watch. Okay, the next item I throw over my shoulder. When I'm out hiking, I put on my belt loop. It's a Roscoe Venture Travel Portfolio. So, you get this clip here. And I'm going to show you what's in here. I've got a zebra pen. I got a Sharpie. I've got a cobalt flashlight, waterproof, 80 lumens. Takes 2 AAAs. Also has a laser. I have a SOG flash tube. Alright, the next compartment, if I flip that up, I'll fix that. Right here, I've got some Kleenexes. Then right here, I've got some batteries. I got 2 AAAs, 1 AA. Then over here in the zipper compartment, I have a little bit of first aid stuff. I've got some Tylenol, some Rolaids, I have some bandages, some gauze, some first aid cream, some white, some tape. Okay, and then flipped here with a carabiner. I have a Benchmade knife sharpener. It took the carabiner with 550 cord. This is a keychain holder. I have a Mora 511. I have a Life Gear glow stick. It has a whistle. And a lot of people don't know this, but you can reverse this switch. So right now I've got it reversed. So I got the light as a glow. Now I got the red, and the red flashing. I like that because you can put that on top of your car. You can shine it at someone and really get their attention. And the next item I have is a little bitty 5-star notebook. So that's about it for my everyday carry. If you want to hit the subscribe button or the like button, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.